And good morning, students. So we are becoming to the new chapter, chapter number 12, area related to circles. Okay, just see the formulas. First of all, circle. You know what is circle, right? It is center of the circle. Okay. Any point in the circle is line joining the point to the center at any point on the circle is called radius. So we know radius is a radius. What is the diameter? Diameter is, suppose, a line segment passing through the center whose end points on the circle is called diameter. This is diameter. Diameters become radius and radius. Two radius will be there. This is a radius. This is a radius. So diameter is equal to 2 times of the radius. Okay. So formula can see diameter of the circle is become 2 times of radius. Here diameter is from one end to another end. This is a radius plus 2 radius. Radius of the circle is diameter by 2. Half of the diameter. What is diameter? Half of the diameter is radius. So area of the circle is pi r squared. And circumference of the circle 2 pi r. We are learning in the class 9 this all. Okay, again semicircle. Semicircle means half of the circle. A circle cut off in 2 pieces. Half is called semicircle. So this is a radius, OA is radius, OB is radius. Okay. So area of the semicircle means the whole circle area, whatever may be, it's a half of the circle. So pi r, half of the pi r square. Pi r square divided by 2, that means half pi r square is the area of the semicircle. And perimeter of the semicircle. Perimeter means this whole round. What is that? The outer length is called the perimeter. Outer length. So AB and the semicircumference. So this is called diameter. So diameter plus the semicircumference. So diameter we know 2 radius. Diameter is equal to 2 times of the radius because we know time 2 radius, here radius plus 2 radius. And semicircumference, circumference like half. What is circumference? 2 pi r. So semicircumference is half of the 2 pi r. 2 will be cancelled, 2r plus pi r. Now the common factor is r. So r is taken out, 2 plus pi. So we got that semicircumference 2 plus pi into r. Now area of a quadrant circle. Quadrant circle means 1 by 4th of the circle. So the circle is that we can cut off 4 pieces. So one piece called and quadrant circle. Right? So area of the quadrant circle is become, what is area of circle? Pi r square. But quadrant circle is become 1 by 4 pi r square because it's a 1 by 4th of the circle. So 1 by 4 pi r square. Area means the space occupied into the closed figure is called area, right? This is area. Circumference means the round. The length is called circumference. One round, what is the length? Is called circumference. Okay, perimeter of the quadrant circle. Perimeter means the surrounding length is a perimeter. So here 1 radius, 2 radius, yes, plus and 1 by 4th of the circumference. What is the circumference? 1 by 4 part is there. So we can take 2 radius plus 1 by 4th of circumference formula, 2 pi r. I put 2 pi r and cancel it and take an LCM. So LCM is 2, 2 2s are 4, 4r plus pi r. Now the r is taken common out, 1 by 2. The 2 will be written here 1 by 2 and r is taken common. So 1 by 2 into 4 plus pi r is a formula. For the first part, we understand circle and semicircle and quadrant circle. Let's go for the second part. Okay, let's continue the second part. Sector of a circle. Sector is a part of a circle. The part cut along with the center. A is a circle. AOB is called sector. AOB can cut from the center. We can take the piece. It is called sector. So it is a radius. OA is a radius, OB is a radius, AB will be calling into length of the arc. The total round is called circumference. A part of the circumference is called length of the arc. Okay, arc. This arc, the real is called length of the arc. Okay, area of the sector. The sector area, we want to find this area of the sector. But this sector, how much taken? This is a sector angle of the sector. How much angle we cut from the circle is called sector. But we know the total angle is become 360 degree. A circle, the whole round is become 360 degree. We are taking little portion, something maybe theta, maybe 30 degree or 40 degree, any acute angle, any angle can be. So, right. So theta out of 360 into pi r square. This is the area of sector. Means we are taken theta out of 360. Totally become 360. It may be taken 30 degree. So 30 degree out of 360 of the area of circle. Area of circle is what's formula pi r square. So area of sector will become theta out of 360 into area of circle. That is called pi r square. We can put another formula, area of sector 1 by 2 L arc. L is become length of the arc into radius. You can multiply, you'll get area of sector, you'll memorize the formula. So length of the arc. What is the length of the arc formula? Length of the arc means this AB length. From A to B, how much length? This is the length of the arc. You want to find the length of the arc, theta out of 360 into the circumference of the circle. Circumference become 2 pi r. Circumference formula 2 pi r. So theta by 360 into circumference, right? 2 pi. So we got the area of the sector formula. Now segment of a circle. Segment of a circle means a circle, in a circle, AB is a chord. A chord divides a circle into two segments. AB is a chord. Suppose take now is a circle. So a line which is passing through the center is called diameter. So a line whose end points on the circle is called the chord. So diameter is also one of the chord. Okay, AB is a chord. AB is called a chord. So the smaller portion is called minor segment. The major portion is called major segment. This is a minor segment. This is a major segment. Major segment center is always along with the major segment. In the minor segment there will be no center will be there, right? Okay. Now you can say these are minor segment. This total is called major segment. Now you can find area of the minor segment. The minor segment area, if you want to find out, the formula is like that: pi theta by 360 minus sin theta by 2 r square. You have to memorize this formula: pi theta by 360 minus sin theta by 2 r square, which is area of the minor segment. So for area of the major segment, area of circle minus area of minor segment. So area of circle area from that minor segment area will be removed. That means circle area has become pi r square. From the whole area, circle area 2, if you cut off the minor segment, you will get the major segment. That's what area of circle minus area of minor segment. Pi r squared minus minor segment formula, you know, we'll be getting the results. I hope you can understand and memorize this formula thoroughly. So we'll go to exercise 12.1.